This is our Hog On Welding Creed design, and it comes in 5 colors. And it stands for honoring our generation ornamental nature, meaning we honor what we do with our hands. We enjoy building the infrastructure of America. We enjoy doing repairs. We enjoy building and making parts and products. We enjoy being independent and using our skills to make a living. And anyone that's out there using their skills, especially the younger generation, embrace what you do with your hands. It's okay. So if you out here doing things with renovation from homes to condos to erections of steel, you're getting your hog on. You're honoring your generation and passing something down. So don't be ashamed of that. Hog on.